Momentum. What is momentum? Momentum is product of mass and velocity. Momentum is product of mass and velocity. Is denoted by P. It's denoted by what, children? P. Okay, so normally we will say P is equal to M into V, because from the definition is a product of mass and velocity. Now coming to the units, if you want units, mass is kg, velocity is meters per second, and like acceleration we know meters per second square. Here velocity is meters per second. So units for momentum is kg meter per second. Okay, momentum. And coming to dimensional formula, what is dimensional formula? Always dimensional formula we should write in the terms of m, l, and t. Dimensional formulas we should write in the terms of m, l, t, where m is mass, l is distance, t is time. Okay, so if you write dimensional formula of momentum, it will be m, because 1 kg is there, so 1 meter is there, l, and second is t minus 1. So this is called as dimensional formula. The dimensional formula of momentum is mlt minus 1. For every concept, every physics, in every term, force, momentum, everything will have a dimensional formula. So the dimensional formula of momentum is mlt minus 1. Okay, so momentum definition I told, denoted by, and formula I told, units I told. Okay, and dimension formula also. Dimension formula. This is about momentum. What is momentum? Momentum is product of mass and velocity, and denoted by P, and P is equal to mv. Units is equal to kg meter per second square, and division formula is mlt minus 1. Basing on this, we'll do some numericals. Small numericals we will do, and some more numericals I'll give for you as your homework. Okay, all of you have understood. This is momentum formula. Momentum is equal to mass into velocity. Momentum is equal to mass into velocity. Okay, we'll do some numericals. Please copy down. I'll keep 10 seconds. Copy down neatly fast. Fast. Okay. Now coming to some small numericals, we'll do. Momentum is equal to mass into velocity always. Okay. First numerical. Okay. Just I will do. When I give chance, you should say the answer. Listen. Find momentum of 5 kg body moving with 2 meters per second. That's all. Okay, so solution. Okay, mass is how much I gave? 5 kg. Velocity how much I gave? 2 meter per second square. Momentum I asked. So P is equal to mv. So P is equal to 5 into 2. Easy. That is 10 kg meter per second. Basic numerical. You have to keep copying. You should not sit right in. Second question. Like this one. Find mass of body moving with 10 meter per second and whose momentum is 100 kg meter per second. So momentum how much I gave? 100 I gave. Okay, compulsory units you should write. And velocity how much I gave? 10 meter per second. Mass I asked. You have to find out mass. So as usual, so momentum is equal to mass into velocity. Momentum I gave 100. Mass I am asking. Velocity I gave 10. 10 goes down. Mass is equal to 100 by 10. So mass is equal to 10 kgs. Okay. One more numerical word. One more numerical word. One more numerical 12. 5 I will do. Remaining I will give as homework for you. You have to do it. Find velocity of 2 kg body whose momentum is 5 kg meter per second. Okay. So momentum how much I gave? 5. Mass how much I gave? 2 kg. I am asking what? Velocity. Okay. So P is equal to mv. Pi is equal to 2 into v. V is equal to, this will come down, 5 by 2 is 2.5 meters per second. One more sum. Find momentum of 10 grams body moving with 80 kmph. 80 kmph. Units are not clear. Units you have to say kg meter per second only compulsory. Units are not clear. So mass how much I gave? 10 grams. Okay. So converting to kgs means by 1000. By 1000 means how much? 0 0.0. This one 0 1 kg. And velocity is how much I gave? 18 kmph. If you want to convert kmph to meter per second into 5 by 18, you should do kmph to meter per second into 5 by 18. So 5 meter per second. Now you have momentum is equal to mass into velocity. So momentum is how much? Momentum mass is how much? 1 by 100. Velocity is how much? 5. 5 by 100 is 0.05 kg meter per second. Like this you should. Okay, you have to convert grams into kgs, kmph to meter per second. Then only you should do. One more sum I will show you so that you will have understanding, clear understanding. Okay, one more sum. Sometimes they ask, find relation between kinetic energy and momentum. Just a small little bit of time. Some for your proper understanding. It won't come like that much time, just for your understanding. Kinetic energy is equal to formula half mv square. Okay, multiply and divide with mass m. So kinetic energy is equal to half mv square, multiply with m, divide with m. Kinetic energy is equal to m square v square by 2m. Kinetic energy is equal to mv whole square, we can write, by 2m, by 2m. mv whole square by 2m. Okay, so kinetic energy is equal to mv whole square means p square by 2m. Okay, so what is the relationship between kinetic energy and momentum? Kinetic energy is equal to p square by 2m. Kinetic energy is equal to p square by 2m, like this. Okay, questions based on this also they can ask. Okay, one sample question on this also I will show you. One sample question. First, all of you please copy on this one. This derivation. This is a small derivation. Small derivation. I show between kinetic energy and momentum. Copied on this. Neatly copied on. Small sum I will do. Find kinetic energy of 10 kg body moving with 500 kg meter per second having momentum. 10 kg body having momentum. Having momentum. How much? 500 kg meter per second. So kinetic energy is equal to p square by 2m. How much I said? P 500 into 500 I give by 2 into mass. How much I give? 10. 10 I give. Okay, 10. So what is the answer? This 0 has gone. So 2, 25 is 25 is 125. 12500 joules. Like this also you can do. Just a small explanation. This is the relationship. Okay. Copy down all of you. I'll give 5 sums. All of you should copy all the sums. Then you have to say. Whomever I ask, you should say. First, copy down all the sums along with me. Don't say the answers in the middle when you're writing the questions. Okay. So momentum is equal to P is equal to mv, and kinetic energy is equal to kinetic energy is equal to P squared by 2m also. Kinetic energy is always measured in joules. Okay. So first question. Fine. Don't say the answers. Just keep first copy on the questions. Find momentum of 10 kg moving with 100 meters per second. Don't say the answers. Just keep doing. Find mass of body having momentum 1000 kg meter per second moving with 5 meters per second. Third question. Find velocity of remote. Find velocity of 10 kg 10 kg body 10 kg body 10 kg body moving with 50 kg meter per second momentum. Okay. Fourth, find momentum of 20-gram body having velocity 36 kmph. I hope everyone are copying. Find kinetic energy of body having momentum 10 kg meter per second and mass 10 kg. Find momentum of body having 25 joules of kinetic energy and mass mass 25 joules of and mass 2 kg. Mass 2 kg. Okay, these are the sums we are going to do. First, all of you copy on the sums. When I ask for answers only, you should say. When I ask answers only, you should say. Don't shout till then. Still, I end my recording. Don't shout. Okay. All of you, please copy down. Please copy down first. First, copy on the questions. Hope you copy down. Copy.